If you're looking to make a make money online cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below if you would like to make some money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a make money online niche channel, I want to start off by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and let's go start investigating on YouTube. Now we got to be thinking of what people interested in the make money online space, what would they be looking up? Now as I looked up the ways to become a millionaire, the first three options, I wouldn't say to click on those because they already have a personality behind those videos. So I'm going to keep doing some scrolling and see if we can find a video. I did some more scrolling and now I'm going to go click on this one as I can see that it's just a cartoon style video. Let's go check it out. So as the video starts off, we can see that this is a whiteboard animation kind of style video as it's just some cartoons in the background trying to help you picture out the idea that the narrator is trying to convey at. So these are simple whiteboard animations that you can do yourself on some softwares or that you could easily hire someone to do it for you for a small amount. There's also most likely a voiceover going on in the background, narrating the video, talking about the different ways that you can become a millionaire. And you can also do this free yourself by recording yourself on an app on your phone for free, or you can also hire someone else to do the voiceover for you as well. They do have some transition effects, and they also have some captioning so that you can read along. Now let's go check out the video's performance. The video itself has over 300,000 views, and I can see other monetization methods being implemented here as they have their own merchandise for sale. The channel itself has close to 900,000 subscribers, and the video itself has some great engagement as it has close to 900 comments. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it has any more make money online material so we can go become millionaires ourselves. So I can see in their channel page, just by looking at some of the links that they're posting up, they already have some monetization methods in place as they have some affiliate links and some courses that they would like to invite you to join. As I look at their popular uploads, I can see that they have many videos about how to make money online as well through passive income, investing your first $1,000 and the $5,000 rule. So this is a great channel that you can start watching for some inspiration. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Feel free to comment down below if you would like to learn about more ways to make money online. Now let's go check out how this channel's monetization is going. Let's go check out how many views this channel is gaining and how much money they're making in ad revenue alone. So if I go into this website, I can now check out the channel statistics. As I scroll down, I can see that this channel is getting close to reaching 500,000 views in just the past 30 days, which is a great audience to be attracting. And just by people watching the ads on their videos, these guys are raking in over close to $2,000 in ad revenue. And throughout their yearly earnings, these guys are making the 5 figures, getting close to that $23,000 mark. Now, I do want to let you guys know that this is just one way of making a profit through your cash cow channel. If you guys are enjoying the content so far, I'd appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now, let's go check out just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our sounds and our free stock footage, and let's go start putting it together. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making videos like these is an easy way to make money online. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to leave me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the make money online niche does get the green light stamp of approval. This is a sub niche of the wealth niche, which is a great niche to be in as it's going to be evergreen content that's going to stay relevant all year round. I also see make money online being a more popular trend as more people are experimenting and trying to make money on the internet. You can also put into play other monetization methods in your cash cow channel to increase your monthly earnings. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos and the channels that we went over in this video, I would highly recommend you guys using them as inspiration so you can be as original as you can with your own content. This is also just one niche, so don't worry if this wasn't the niche for you. We're going to be exploring other niches in future videos as well. But let's say this was the niche for you, you now have two options. You have option A. You can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting some time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you would like access to that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or if it's going to get the red light. Subscribe to TubeGreat if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.